Hello to my YouTube family and friends. How are we today and how have we been? Yes, it's your girl Queen Riri back for another video. All right, y'all. So today I'm just going to do a quick video with some chicken strips and some fries, y'all. Yeah, because I've been craving for some chicken. So now I'm about to have me some chicken. Okay? All right. So I'm just, oops. Hold on, y'all. That's a no-no. I was letting my grease heat up. Ooh. So, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting my grease hot. Yeah. So I'm just using some Crisco butter. Yeah, you know, so the chicken will be nice and buttery, crunchy, and for filling and good. Yeah. So, how has everybody been? I hope you guys been doing great. I've been doing great, taking it easy, you know, getting back in the tune of things. So, let's get started. I just got to drain the rest of this little water off my chicken. And I'll be right there. Just give me a minute. 1 minute, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back. So, I got my chicken here. I got my flour. I got my seasoning. And what I'm going to do is be real quick about this, y'all. Because y'all already know time is precious. And I don't really have a lot of time right now. But I just had to come through to say hi to you. So, yeah, I miss y'all. I miss cooking for y'all. I miss everything. So I just got to get back in the hang of things. So we're going to get started here. I got some seasoning salt. I'm going to put on my chicken strips right here. I got some garlic powder. And I like a lot of garlic powder, y'all. I do. Oh, again. And then I'm going to put some Creole seasoning on here. Some black pepper. Got me about to sneeze. And some onion powder. Okay. All right. Oh, and I need a little more black pepper though, y'all. Okay. So now, I guess I got black pepper in here, so I'll just go and put a little more in there. And my flour. Little seasoning, spice it up, make sure it's seasoned good. Y'all know how it be, right? Right. So, how y'all like the weather right now? Let me tell you, it's been so cold. But you know what? We already warming up. But I done seen some states where it's just cold, like freezing. So we're gonna get this back started. so we can get this chicken going. So anyway, y'all, I'm enjoying the heat coming back because let me tell you, we got down to like, shoot, far as like 32 degrees, and that's really like unusual for us. So, and I know some people be like negative 32 and stuff, and wow. I'd probably fall over and croak, y'all, for real. For real, for real. All right, so I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick. And then we're gonna throw that in the flour and throw it in the skillet. So let's go on and do that. We gotta be quick, remember? Quick, quick, quick. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put that in. Get it all nice and floured up. And then we're gonna throw it in the skillet. So how many of y'all out there love fried chicken? I know y'all do. I don't think I ever met nobody that didn't like fried chicken. I'm not sure though. But I don't think I did. How about y'all? Have y'all ever met anybody that didn't like fried chicken? If y'all have, just leave it in the comment. Let me know. And if you're liking my video right about now, go on and give me a thumbs up. Yeah. It don't cost nothing, it's free. And if you want and you're new, go on and subscribe. And for my additions out there that's already subscribed and that's been keeping up with me, I appreciate you and I want you to know that. I really, really do. You guys are awesome. All right, so now we're gonna put it in the grease. The grease is nice and hot. I would say this is gonna make about 2 pans and we should be done. This is kind of like a big skillet. So we should be able to fit enough in here and have enough for one more skillet. Yeah. I think we good, y'all. We're gonna say that right there for our next skillet. Let me wash my hands right quick. So I'm just going to put that on there, leave that there. Well, I guess I can put that in the sink. I'm going to put this in the sink, y'all. Soap. So, what's up, y'all? What's up, huh? Not a lot with me. I'm just trying to get back in the hang of things. Hopefully I can get back started doing my weekly thing I do. You know, like Motivation Monday, Taco Tuesday, What's Up Wednesday, Back in the Day Thursday, Quick Fix Friday, Kickback Saturday, and Shout Out Sunday. Yeah. So hopefully you'll be tuned for that. And if I don't make a video every day, I will try my hardest to continue to Shout Out Sunday. Because I know y'all love that and I want to be there for y'all and I want to do that. Okay? Because we all need our channels ran, right? Yeah, we could all use that extra time for them videos being ran. Yeah. So, if you don't know how it works, this is how it works. Um, Usually my loyalist additions, they run my channel 10 times or more within 2 weeks, and then they go into a drawing to be pulled for their channel, or just say 20 hours of their videos to be ran from me, okay? Yeah, I give you guys 20 hours. So remember that. And also, if you be one of my loyal additions, and just come through, you know, time to time, like, say 5 to maybe 9 times a week, or within 2 weeks, then you'll get a special shout out. But my loyalists that I pull, not only do they get a shout out, I tell a little about their channel, and those are for all my loyalists. Like, say I have 4, then I'll be up here talking about 4 different people's channels, okay? But they have to get 10 or more within 2 weeks. And then I take their names and I put them in a drawing, and then I pull 2 names and I run 20 hours of your videos. Ain't that just great? Yeah. So that's what I do, and I'm going to try to get back to that, y'all. So it's time, y'all. We got to move up. It's 2024, and we got to get going. Yeah. So that's my way of giving back and helping out for you guys, to be there for me and help me out at the same time by coming through, seeing me, and being loyal to me and watching my videos to the fullest. I love it. Okay? Yeah. So after I do these chicken strips, I'm just going to do some fries. I know I got one more pan, and I know I'm pressed for time. But I'm always pressed for time, y'all. My life is so busy, you wouldn't believe. But I try to make it work, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to continue to do that as well. Yeah, because that's just me, busy, busy, busy. My channel probably should be named Busy Bee. Yeah. Maybe I could get some little workers to help me out. But anyway, yeah, Queen Riri it is. And in the future, I'm going to be giving away some things. I haven't really came about how I'm going to do it, but it's probably going to take the place of me running a 20-hour video maybe, or maybe I'll just make a giveaway every 3 months, 4 times a year. That'd be good. Or maybe twice a year. What you think? Let me know. Okay. Most likely it will be money, and it will be gift cards. I did that before, and YouTube hurried up and reached out to me and told me basically that I couldn't be doing that. So it'll probably be like material things, maybe one of Riri t-shirts, or you know, an apron, or some dishes, you know, something. Yeah, I haven't started my store yet, but I plan on starting one. But the dishes for now probably be just like maybe a clear bowl like this or something, you know, not too fancy. Just something nice, so, you know, every time maybe you go in your kitchen and you cook with it or something, you'll remember Queen Riri. I don't know. But we'll see. So I'll get that going. Y'all gotta help me. So y'all gotta help me. Let me know what you think. 4 times a year or twice a year. You know, because I could do it every 3 months. And you know, we got to think about shipping and handling and all that. I don't know how much that's going to be. Or we could do it twice a year. Okay, so just let me know. And hopefully soon, who knows, I'll get some more time and then I can make a membership on my page and you can join me. And then that'll make life a little simpler for me and easier. You know, and then I can give away some Reedy t-shirts and stuff like that to all my members. So, we'll see. Let me know what y'all think though. These nuggets or strips, whatever you want them to be, they are almost ready. And usually, I make my strips like a lot longer and skinnier. But I just kind of sliced up the breast and cut it and called it a day. So, they don't really look like strips. They look like some big old nuggets. And some of them look like some wide, thin strips. So, we'll call it a strip nugget, okay? A strip nugget chicken. Oh. But yeah, y'all, I am so glad to get back in the swing of things. I am. And I can't wait to be coming through. Let me just grab something to put this chicken in. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Got something to put the chicken in. So I'm going to be taking it out. It is done. You know, that's what I like about chicken and chicken strips and all that. It really don't take no time at all. And it is like done. And I just love that. I can't wait, y'all. You know how you want something so bad, you just can't wait. You be like, ooh, I can taste it already, right? But that's how I'm feeling right now. I can taste it already. Yep. And it's been a minute for me, y'all, since I had some chicken, some fried chicken. And I don't really like nobody's chicken better than my own, so it's a plus for me. It's a plus. It is a plus. Let me tell you. Because when I make the time to make me some chicken, it's better than going out to get some chicken at churches or Kentucky or wherever you can get chicken. Popeyes. I like them though. My favorite is Church's though. Besides my own. Yeah, I get down with some Church's. And a jalapeno. Let me tell you. Yes, indeed, I be on one. Be like, come on through. And then I get that fried okra with it. Oh, it'd be so good. Yep. Well, too bad we're not having mashed potatoes today. I can make the gravy, huh? That's it for that. So I'm going to put this over here, y'all, and wash my hands. Give me a minute. Oh, y'all. It's going pretty quick, just like I planned it to be. And I'm happy for that. Let me tell you. Yes, I am happy for that. Oh, I have to wash my hands again. I keep washing them so much the color don't come off, right? No, I don't think so. But yeah, let me get my this stuff. But yeah, y'all, it's like I've been away from home and now I'm back. That's what it feels like to me. So good, so good, so good. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait. I can sit down and eat some of this good old chicken. It'll be so bomb. So bomb. I'm just gonna start putting these up real quick because I don't need them anymore. We are done with those. Okay? Alright. And I've been making my way around. I know a couple of y'all ain't been in y'all pages yet. You know, usually people I go to like all the time. But I'm gonna get there. I ain't forgot you. Don't think I forgot you. I ain't forgot you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let me tell you, I'm coming. Yes. So y'all can see this fried chicken. Looks so good, don't it? Yes it does. No. Yes. Yeah, y'all. Delicious. Delicious and nutritious. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, I got my fries over here. They're about ready to go in. I'm gonna just pour this water off of y'all. Be right there. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, got my fries right there. Yes, yes, yes. And you know what? My grandma used to make French fries with her steak grease, her chicken grease, and all that. And I started thinking about that, and I was like, ooh, that was some good stuff. So that's the way I'm cooking mine today, y'all. It brings back memories. It brings back that taste that I knew as a child. And I just love it, y'all. I don't know, maybe one day y'all could try it, or maybe y'all grandmas did, or your moms, I don't know. But to me, it's pure delicious. And it makes those fries so different. So, yeah. That's what I'll be doing today. It's the same skillet method. I'll be using that. And in the future, you might hear that a lot out of my mouth because I'm going to be using it more and more, y'all. Because I love living in memories from the past. I do. I love my grandma so much. And it's certain things that I can do to bring back her cooking, and certain things I can do like to bring back my dad, because my dad was a #1 cook. So y'all won't hear that one method in the future. So just remember that. That's what it is. When I say I'm going to use the skillet, that one method, that's what I'll be talking about. Okay? All right. I think some of my chicken about ready to come out, y'all. And get these fries in. Then I'm going to just go and be on my way, because I gotta get out of here, y'all. Somewhere to go, something to do. It seems like my life is like always busy like that. So one day when I make it and I retire, I could just stay back and stay home and cook and don't worry about nothing. You know? So hopefully that day will come sooner than later. Yeah, because I would love to stay at home and just chill, you know? I really would. I really would. Smoke. Yeah. Yeah, I know I see fried chicken, how you have all these little crumbs and then peel it and all that. That makes the best gravy, let me tell you. It is very good. So I got 2 more pieces in here, y'all. They about to come out. We gotta get these fries in here. Yeah. I'm just gonna bring them over here. I'm gonna start getting them in here. While I skillet burn up. And my daddy used to make the best potatoes because he would smother them with black pepper and salt. Yeah, you can't use no seasoning salt. You gotta use black pepper and salt. No garlic, whatever. Smother them with some onions. Oh. Used to be bomb. So yeah, me just remembering from the past, y'all. Just getting on some of that cooking. This is a so fine. I'm loving it. Give me a second, y'all. Yeah, loving it and can't wait to taste it. Can't wait. Oh yeah. So that's gonna be ready in a little bit and it's gonna be time to eat, but y'all, I'm gonna have to run, so I won't be eating today. Maybe next time. Okay. Yeah. So hopefully with our new year, 2024, it plays out great. I know I have a couple of people in the family that's supposed to get married this year. Congrats out to y'all. Yes. I hope everything works out and I hope y'all go on and tie that knot. Yeah. That's what's up. You know, we need more people in the world. 2 people that love each other to go and tie that knot. Yeah. You know, one day I'm going to be tying that knot. Yeah. So, anyway, I just give a shout out to them. Congrats and the best. And for all y'all out there with new jobs, whatever, and y'all loving it or graduated from college or whatever into a job or whatever, I just want to say much success to y'all and the best to y'all. Okay? All right. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Now how these fries doing? They looking good, y'all. They looking good. Yes, they are, y'all. Looking good. Yeah. So, I just hope this year brings like a lot of happiness to a lot of people. Yeah. And I just myself feel like this is my year. Okay? I do. I feel like I'm supposed to climb the ladder, y'all, and I'm supposed to do some things. You know, I don't know if it's a lot of you out there that kind of feel like I feel, but it's like, it's so many things in the world that I want to do that I haven't done, that I just can't wait to do. And some of the things, it's like I can touch them, but yet they're so far away. But I'm going to change all that, y'all. I'm going to change that watch. I'm working on it. Y'all should work on it too. Yeah, because we all deserve to go wherever we want to go. We deserve to do things we want to do. And we deserve the best. And I'm going to try to get there sooner than later, y'all. So y'all should just jump aboard and come on with me. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, y'all. The fries is looking good. I'm going to have to get some to get them out. I got a spatula. Yeah. So, just give me a minute, y'all. I'm going to go in. No, I'm not. But give me a minute. I'll be right back. Since I don't have that many fries, I'm going to throw them on this plate. Yep. I'm going to throw them on this plate. My y'all, so good, so good, so good, so good. I'm going to just get some water real quick, y'all. Because y'all know I love drinking my water. And water is good for me. All right, y'all. So I got my water, my agua, my H2O. Delicious. Delicious. And y'all, I believe these fries are ready. And that was really a quick meal, wasn't it? It was. I'm going to go on and take these out. Make some of my secret sauce with these. Oh, these delicious, y'all. Delicious, 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 delicious. Ooh. Oh, I forgot. We gonna need a little salt, y'all. So we gonna sprinkle a little salt on there. But to make them even better, y'all. Well, I don't know. You just do the salt this time. The next time, I'm gonna do something different. So good, so good, so good. And I know y'all hear a baby in the background. That's my grandson. He can't be quiet to save his life. He just talks all the time. But that's a good thing because he's learning how to talk. The more he talks, hopefully the better he'll get. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm going to set this in there. And I just want to show y'all these delicious fries. Y'all see them fries? Yeah, they was cooked in butter Crisco with chicken grease. Delicious. Delicious, delicious, y'all. I got my fries. And I got my delicious chicken. And I'm going to be grubbing. Y'all, I'm going to be grubbing. Y'all see that chicken? Make sure y'all get to see it good. So anyway, y'all, it's that time. And I'm so happy I came through and I got to see y'all. And y'all got to see me and talk to me for a while. Don't forget to hit them comments up. Oh, I love y'all. I miss y'all so. But I'm back, okay? And I'll see y'all much as I can. So, let's keep it popping. Pop, pop, pop. In a safe way, okay? And y'all already know, I love to see you coming in and I hate to see you go. But until next time, prayers up and blessings down. May God bless you. May He keep you. And may you stay safe, okay? Until next time, peace out. Later.